Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Seek Knowledge. This video contains the question answers of the poem Paradise or Paradise Lost by Ropper. Starting from question number 1, what does the author imply about the cost of maintaining paradise? The author implies that maintaining paradise requires effort to protect the environment. Question number 2, what does the phrase living a lifestyle that's green mean? Answer is, living a lifestyle that's green means adopting a sustainable lifestyle to protect the earth and preserve its natural beauty. Question number 3, how does the author describe the current state of the planet? Answer is, the author describes the planet as having scars caused by human actions, indicating environmental damage. Question number 4, when does the author emphasize is the time to take action? Answer is, the author emphasizes that now is the time to take action to restore the damage done to the earth. Question number 5, what consequences does the author suggest if we continue as we are? The author suggests that if we continue as we are, we will leave permanent scars on the planet and lose it. Question number 6, is there still hope for change according to the author and why? Answer is, yes, there is still hope for change according to the author because timely effort can save the earth. Now here are the text questions. How does the opening stanza set the tone and introduce the central theme? Answer is, the opening stanza sets a serious tone and introduces the central theme of protecting earth through urging personal effort. Next question is, what does the poet mean by the word paradise in this stanza? Answer is, the poet refers to earth as paradise in this stanza. Last question, what is the main theme of the poem? Answer is, the main theme of the poem is to adopt a sustainable lifestyle to protect the earth and preserve its natural beauty. So all questions including text questions are completed here. I hope that this video will be beneficial for you. If this video was helpful for you, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and support me.